Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to this video. So I'm going to be discussing in this video 5 YouTube search based niches, so you don't basically have to go and analyze all these different types of niches. I'm going to give you a wide variety of different types of niches that are search based. I'm going to analyze them. We're going to see what they're doing wrong, what they're doing right, and so you can get a few tips from these channels and maybe apply that to your channel and start blowing up. So before we get started, if you would like me to analyze your channel and give you a full report back on it, I can do that for you. If you click the first link in the description of the video for the channel reviews, you can also join the free school community. Okay, so let's just get into this video right now. I'm on this channel called Techmates. Okay, they got 9.45 thousand subscribers. Now the thing that's a little bit off about this channel is you can see they have almost 4,000 videos but only 10,000 subscribers. So that immediately tells me that maybe they're doing topics that are way too saturated. Maybe they're getting their topics from much bigger channels. I'm sure the topic will succeed on the bigger channel, but on the smaller channel everyone's done it already, and the big channel got the majority of the views. The big channels ate that topic up and they aren't able to capitalize on this topic because it could either be too much competition or it could be way too saturated with hundreds and thousands of videos. So it is monetized and we can basically see that they're doing videos. Let's just see if they're doing shorts. Okay, they have 3 shorts. Okay, so that doesn't count, and no live streams. Typically a search based channel won't do live streams, but you can see how to fix YouTube trending option not showing problem. Okay, how to fix Spotify homepage not loading. Okay, so you can see they got 6 views in 21 hours. Let's just try to find one that's had a little bit of time to rank. Let's just say for 7 days or so. How to forget ChatGPT memory, remove ChatGPT history permanently. Okay, so let's just analyze this topic and see what they were talking about when it comes to this topic. Okay, so were they on the right track when it comes to choosing this topic? So what you do when you want to analyze a topic is you go into incognito mode. So I'm just going to open up a new incognito tab and I'm going to get the topic. What was it? How to forget ChatGPT memory. Okay, so I'm going to go into incognito and I'm going to see how saturated is this. How to forget ChatGPT memory. Okay, so it is a search based topic. People are searching for it, and you can see that they're ranking number 2, but the problem is here that there's no search volume. Okay, because 2 weeks ago 23 views, that's the number 1 spot. If this was a popular topic, if people were wildly searching for this topic, it would have thousands, a few thousand views by now in 2 weeks. This one's 6 days. Okay, so if the first ranking video can't get any views, then that just means that there's no search volume available for that topic. Not enough people are interested in basically searching for this topic and finding out about it. So I would actually skip this topic. It was most likely gotten from this channel right here, how to clear ChatGPT memory, but that's 10 months ago. Okay, so 10 months ago ChatGPT was much newer, and it makes more sense to do this 10 months ago than to do it 2 weeks or 6 days ago. So you have to keep relevancy in mind when you're doing these videos. Is it popular right now? Are people actively searching for that right now? And what you can do if you're struggling to find out what's relevant or what's not relevant is you can go to Google Trends. Okay, open up Google Trends and this will give you a gauge of what's popular and what's not. So what you can actually do is, I like to go here. Okay, so they've changed it. I'm going to go to trending now. Okay, you can see a whole list of topics that are trending, but that typically won't help us. Okay, I'm going to search here ChatGPT and search term ChatGPT, and I'm going to explore this. And as you can see, August 12th there's some popularity, but it shot up here around August 12th, which is today. It shot up around here, but what you want to do is go on to, let's just say, the past 5 years. Okay, and as you can see, it's at an all-time high with popularity. So if you can find video topics to do with ChatGPT and able to rank for it, and then that'll be good. So this channel isn't basically doing much wrong. it'll just come down to getting better topics for this specific channel itself, because with 4,000 videos you want a little bit more than 10,000 subscribers. Okay, great. So let's move on to the next channel, which is a making money online channel, which is called Mr. Money. Okay, I've known about this channel for quite a few years now, and they just keeps posting. Okay, 15 hours ago, 18 hours ago. Okay, so it looks like 2 videos every single day, and as you can see, these are search based: how to make money selling AR art with gelato, Airbnb arbitrage tutorial. So they're doing a great job of hiring an influencer that can actually speak into the videos, so it gives a personal brand aspect to the channel. And they just found the search based how to make money online topics. You can model this if you want to, it will work. As you can see, if I go to the most popular videos and I just scroll down to when they first started, okay, you can see 246k, 213k, and with a high RPM that they pay in the making money online niche, you can expect a great monthly revenue per month. So if I go to the homepage, they're getting like 500,000 views a month. Okay, 500,000 views a month. Times, say the RPM's like $10 on this channel, so that's easy 5 to 7, maybe 8k per month. And let's just see like what they're doing on this channel and what can they improve on. So you'll see all these like Payoneer and Revolut, so like payment processes they cover Temu. All they're basically doing is does this $350 a day kind of stuff work, and then they just talk for about 8 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes about the topic. And it's really simple to do this kind of stuff. And they have great search-based titles. How much money can you make using Tradle, Temu affiliate program versus Amazon? So they really do their good research when it comes to these videos. If you want to get into this type of niche, it is profitable. You'll just need a lot of videos. As you can see here, 2.8k videos, and they get about 500k so per month in AdSense revenue, which is good. So if you want to model off the channel, this would be the one to do it. And they're getting some good views on the video, so I wouldn't say anything much bad about this channel because they're doing everything correctly, search based, the typical search based stuff. Okay, let's get into another channel, Amp How To, 141,000 subscribers, 2k videos almost. They were getting more views than this, but it kind of dropped right now since they are not uploading and stuff like that. So they got 1 video in the last 30 days. Okay, so so basically what he's doing is like how to use Cash App, how VFriends made 100 mil, how to get money on PayPal, never spend your PayPal balance. Okay, how to use PayPal savings. So the thing about this channel is the topics are really broad, and it's going to be hard to break through this topic and rank number 1 or so, because it is broad. It's just how to use PayPal savings, how to use Cash App pools, okay, how to get money on PayPal. So for an example, if I open up an incognito tab and you just type, so what he can do is go for longer tail keywords, how to get I think it was how to get money on PayPal. Okay, if he ranks, it's going to be pretty surprising. Okay, so you can see it's just too broad. It's how to make money on PayPal. I mean, everybody's doing this topic. PayPal is so popular that everybody has a video on how to make money with PayPal. Okay, so you can see the video doesn't even show up. So that channel would want to go for the longer tail keywords. It could be like how to make money on PayPal. I don't even know the topics, but you want to do your keyword research, especially since you're doing search based. Okay, so that's what this channel can improve on. The thumbnails are right, and that's basically it. So how to withdraw money from Venmo. You get some decent views, but it could be much better. Okay, if you target those long tail keywords. Okay, so that's the tip. Okay, go after long tail keywords. Then the next channel is Steven Cravato. He mixes like a mix between search based and browse features. Okay, how to design a mobile app from scratch. Got good views. This AI prints money. So the keyword is 7 ways to make money from a mobile app. So we can go in incognito and we can search. He got some good authority with just 45 videos. Make money from an AI app. make money from AI app. Okay, how to make money from AI apps. I think that's the keyword. Okay, see if he pops up here. The thing he did right was getting good retention on his videos and stuff like that in order to rank. Okay, but this is so popular that he didn't even rank for this particular keyword, but it looks like his subscribers will watch the videos. If you do like a personal brand search based channel, okay, then your subscribers will actually watch your videos. So that's another thing that you could think about. Okay, how to maximize your app's exit potential. It's like an interview. Okay, this is a bit of a harder type of channel style to get into, but it can be very profitable. You can build a personal brand and then put links in the description and make money with affiliate marketing and things like that. Okay, and then the next one I have for you is a gaming channel, which is pretty good. MJ7, they're doing FC25, FC26, and as you can see, all you have to do is get the name of the match. You can watch if you watch the Premier League, you can get the name of the match that you watched, then play the game on Xbox, PC, PS5, and then you upload that onto your channel. You give it the same title: Real Betis versus Chelsea, Tottenham versus Man United. So this is very easy, and you can see it gets a lot of views. This is gaming niche. You're going to get a lot of views in the gaming niche, and it can pay off pretty good. So a channel like this with sports, it can be really effective because it's based off real life matches. Okay, and people are interested in this stuff. They do watch it. 4.2k, 22k, 4.6k, 11k. Okay, this is popular. Okay, so you choose the matches that you have the biggest chance to rank for, and then you'll be able to get views in a niche like this. So I hope this did help you out. If you have any questions related to search-based YouTube, don't forget to drop a comment down below. If you want to join the school community, you can do that. And if you want me to go in-depth channel review and growth plan for your channel, you can click the first link in the description of the video, and I'll be able to do that for you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.